just about to leave the hotel. Packed up and stuff. We've had breakfast. Well, I haven't had breakfast. They have. I don't really want any. But last view of this. Ben Wagon down there. He's in the back. If you're in Britain, that would be a sackable offence. But hey ho. So yeah, there's the last. Over there's the main saloon, which we walked the other day. So that's the thing. Well, I've packed. Jessica's on Rachel's phone, packed up, so ready to go in the next 10-15 minutes.
Huggy Wuggy was on my chair.
Huggy Wuggy, was he? So
Jessica.
strange, but yeah. Right, the next video will possibly in the airport. I'm going to try and get. There was actually a plane on the entrance. Well, as we came out of the airport into Spain, there's actually an old plane on like a monument sort of thing in the middle, so I'm going to try and get a photo of that. So I shall speak to you later. Bye. We're at the airport about to board in the next half hour.
I just took a picture.
Yeah, of the TUI plane. Not the plane we're going on, the TUI plane. But we'll do a video when we're on the plane.
Yeah.
Bye. We're just about to board the plane. That's the plane there. Different plane from when we came here with. So, off to Manchester to the rain. So, we'll take a video on the plane. See you after. We are boarding the plane. That is going to take us into the air, the engine.
Well, we're by the exit.
Yeah, it's the engine. I've discovered on the front nose it's Jet2 Tenerife. Are we actually going the right way? Right, we shall see you once we get in. We're off the ground. We are Manchester bound. Last of the people getting on. There's a TUI flight over there.
Oh, Huggy Wuggy.
I think that plane's going to the same place. Hold on. Here we go. good, Jessica? Jessica's going to go to sleep, I think. Not me, I think they're all the way over there. Normally. Sparta jars.
Welcome home, everyone. Now that we've landed, you must stay seated and buckled up until the seatbelt sign is turned off.
Just to let you know, you're not allowed to smoke or vape on the way to the terminal or in the terminal itself.
Before you go, please make sure you've got everything with you. And take care when you open the overhead lockers, as some things may have moved during the flight.
Our friendly customer helpers are all ready and waiting to help you. You can't miss them, as they're wearing our famous red uniform.
One last thing, to say thank you for holidaying with us, we'll be giving you one of our amazing rain check vouchers. This gives you a whopping £60 off your next break with Jet2 Holidays or Jet2 Villas.
To claim your £60 off, book online at jet2holidays.com, on our app, through our friendly call centre, or visit your local independent travel agent.
From everyone at jet2.com and Jet2 Holidays, we can't wait to see you again soon, and we hope you've all had a lovely holiday.
No, take it off.
Take it off.
I think
Am I going to America? Right, so we power it up again to go back up. So if we work, power it back up.
have landed.
See, over yesterday, everywhere else put something on the license.
You may now get on your way
We
using the
have
door at row
just
12. If you are
landed.
sitting in rows 1 to 11, please remain on board a short while until we let you know.
We are finally home, and it is
freezing.
absolutely silly
Freezing.
weather. It's raining, so
freezing.
Jessica has
Got her
decided
pyjamas on.
to wear her pajamas to her nana's.
It's freezing.
So we're just going into nana's to try and get some food off them.
Because I'm starving.
Because I'm starving. I haven't eaten since
I
last
just
night.
had
So you had some Pringles
Like
and
you wouldn't let me have.
a J2O, didn't you? So
I didn't like it when it was gonna go down.
no,
Bumpy.
bumpy. So right, see you again.
That's for Grandad.
Bye.